get accustomed to the sound of the universe that can be heard when you're alone. It's actually a really warm and beautiful sound. It's like, I'm here. I'm not alone. I'm here. Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm Bree. The biggest tip I can give to those that train themselves perhaps in this paranormal realm, I make reference to that because if you're on this video, you probably see my channels and that's probably your interest. Or if it's any form of advancing or getting to know yourself, having more control over your life because you're not a puppet of your emotions. When you're alone and there's no background television going, in the space of enough silence to hear your own energy, your own being. A couple of methods that I train. One is Shu Xu, means empty but not empty in Chinese. In Zhineng Qigong, we practice chanting and it repetitively for long enough. And if you try, maybe try now with me, just close your eyes, totally relax, just relax. We're together, relax, nothing matters. Just listen. It's like a space, an eerie space sound, like if you can remember when you're in bed and you're about to fall asleep and you can hear it and it gets really loud, shoo, shh, like this, like shoo, kind of the sound of the universe, but it's not coming from the trees and the wind and the ocean. It's coming from inside your head or your being, your essence. Imagine a lot of you know what I'm talking about. But for those who don't, really encourage, don't have background noise going on. Don't have televisions and radios and just music playing. Get accustomed to the sound of the universe that can be heard when you're alone. It's actually a really warm and beautiful sound. It's like, I'm here. I'm not alone. I'm here. And it's peaceful and warm. It's a loving atmosphere. So the biggest tip I can give, fall in love with the sound of yourself, which is, it's not silent. It's like shoo, different sounds. Maybe you'll start by sitting down and consciously really trying to listen. I think the easiest time is when you're falling to sleep. And then perhaps sitting down, closing your eyes. You can use the word shoo. Shoo. And then the shoo gets softer and softer, and you're using less body. You're using less throat, less facial muscles, and eventually you're just thinking. You can hear it, the thought, shoo, without using the vocal. Listen. Repeat, just repeat. Without saying it, think. And then think nothing but that. And you can hear it all around you. You can ding, 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 ding. I guess I've called it the sound of the universe these days because another thing that I noticed is these beautiful sound bars that people create with the crystal bowls and tuning forks, this frequency, and you can sit and just, it does the meditation for you. But if you want a total self-sufficient sound bar, here it is. And you don't have to do anything. You only have to listen. So I share with you your own personal soundbar. It's with you wherever you are. And it's very calming and peaceful, and you can trust it more than you can trust any thought, any emotion, anything on TV, anything on the radio. It's you. It's the universe, as in you and universe one. It connects us all because we all have this. Have fun with it. Enjoy. Let me know in the comments your experience. All the very best. Allah.